Hey, so hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about how to get a file from how to get a data from a file. So we have a file, we get a data from it, and print it in the output in here called Tani. That's why here we're using Tani. Tani, okay? So we use Stani because Replit you have to make files. So you make the file. So let's say I have a mouse, for example. And I'm like, hey, I'm gonna get the mouse. I can get the mouse easily. But in Thani, it's way different. You have to go by process. First, you have to find the location of the file, then put the file, then you go inside of the file, get the file and print it in read mode. We're gonna do this printing it in read mode, W, which is write mode, and A, which is like writing mode, but you can't overwrite. So let's start. First, we have to do lines equals to file dot read lines. Okay? So read all the lines we have in our file. Okay, next, if len, so the number of lines, if they equal to 4, equal to 4, let's say we want to print the first line, okay? So what we're gonna do is square bracket, no, 0. We're using index value here, 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's so on, okay? Okay, next, where else just print invalid. So here's the file I have. So Avner 10 Ottawa, Enver 5 Toronto, Scion 11 Niagara Falls, Alok 12 Montreal. Okay, if we try running it prints the first line Avner 10 Ottawa. I want to print the last line. It prints the last line. Alok 12 Montreal. Second line, print Scion 11 Niagara Falls. That's in read mode, so you can't do anything with it. You can only read. For W, you can write, so you can edit, so you can overwrite. Oh, meaning also you can't read the lines, okay? But what if we do A? A, same thing. Only read, it will do this, right? R, printing invalid, okay? So, next, we're gonna learn how to write and do the W mode, write mode, and A mode, which is like write mode, but it doesn't like, how do you say that? Overwrite. Okay, we're gonna learn that next video. Thank everyone for listening my video. I hope you like it, and bye.